Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
When removing the exterior door handles, there's an access hole behind this rubber plug. Inside you'll see a T25 Torx head screw. Go at a good slow pace to make sure you do not drop that inside the door. From the outside, you're going to grip the door handle, open it, you're going to take the lock cover off, pull on the handle, and slide it. When reinstalling the handle, put the front end piece in first, make sure the clip goes behind that metal. And then you can reinstall the lock cover. Take the inside screw and line it up, tighten it down. Replace the rubber plug.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.